I am a caveman, and I speak poorly. I explain complex things so simple even a rock can understand. Today's topic is financial freedom. Listen closely, modern tribe. I achieved freedom long before humans invented banks. I had so much control over my gold and meat that even other cavemen whispered, "Why this guy live like king while we fight over sticks?" Financial freedom is simple. Humans make it complicated, but cavemen say, spend less than you earn and make money work for you. That's it. If you work all life just to pay bills, your tribe call you servant of rocks. Freedom comes when your money hunts for you while you relax by fire. First rule, eliminate debt. Debt is like sleeping near angry mammoth, dangerous and always threatening. Pay off high-interest debt first. Credit cards, loans, and silly purchases that grow like weeds. Destroy them. When debt gone, you control your money, not it controlling you. This is called debt freedom. Second rule, invest consistently. Money sitting idle is like meat rotting in sun. Make it work. Stocks, bonds, rental caves, anything that grows over time. I invest in mammoth futures before mammoths even born. I invented portfolio diversification before humans invented soap. Consistency builds huge wealth. This is called compounding power. Third rule, create multiple income streams. Don't rely on one hunting ground. Rent cave, sell fire sticks, trade shiny stones, invest in mammoth farms. Money flowing from different places keeps you safe when one stream dries. Modern tribe call this side hustles. Caveman call this survival genius. This is called income diversification. Fourth rule, live below your means. You don't need gold necklaces or giant cave walls to feel powerful. Save extra, invest extra, enjoy simple life. Tribe laughed at me, wearing simple fur, while others bought fancy feathers. Guess who still had mammoth meat when winter came? This is called lifestyle control. Fifth rule, plan for long term. Freedom isn't about today. It's about decades ahead. Older, wiser, maybe still sexy, definitely richer. I saved meat not for next moon, but for next hunt season and beyond. That's why I slept peacefully while others fought over bones. This is called financial planning. Sixth rule, protect your wealth. Insurance, emergency fund, safe storage. Don't let disaster destroy your tribe of money. Back then, I hid gold and meat in secret caves. Modern tribe. Bank accounts, diversified investments, digital backups. Protected like you protect fire from wind and rain. This is called risk management. Seventh rule, mindset matters. Freedom starts in brain. Stop thinking paycheck to paycheck. Start thinking wealth grows over time. Focus, patience, discipline. That's how caveman become multimillionaire before humans invented writing. Humor and wisdom help, but mindset is real power. This is called financial mindset. You can achieve financial freedom at any age. Start eliminating debt. Start investing. Build multiple income streams. Live below your means. Protect your wealth. Think long term. Do this long enough, and money hunts for you instead of you hunting for money. Now you're free. You watch. You grow. We are both happy.